Okay, hello guys, this is Bortu Trading. Can you tell me what about the audio and video? All is good? Let's check for response. Yeah, let me know if you can hear me properly. Okay, hello. Hello John. Hello Horizon Traders. Amigo, John, Tomasz. Looking good. Okay. Okay guys, so as I said, once again, hello, this is Bortu Trading, and today the topic of our webinar is trading strategies and how to approach the markets these days. So before we move on to the topic, can you tell me what kind of level of experience you have so far in terms of trading, of course? What you've done? Did you trade right now? Did you been trading so far? And if you don't mind, can you put the country where you come from? Yeah. Okay. So let's start from the beginning. So first of all, I just want to explain that today webinar, it's not gonna be exactly about the strategies per se, and that's what I mean. Not wanna cover the topic, where to put the trade, where you put the stop loss, where you put the profit, what you have to do in terms of the trading per se. What I want to cover, it's like it's more like to know what you should do before even start thinking about the trading. So what you should do, first of all, you have to choose the right way of trading before even start. So today I'm just gonna cover three way of approach to the markets. So first of all, it's a day trading. Probably what I think, probably there's the most popular way of trading. Many people try to be a day trader. They start from that. In my opinion, it's not really maybe I'm not gonna say enough really. In my opinion, it's not most effective way of trading, but definitely is the most popular way. So let's go back to the topic. So day trading, as you probably know, we're using in the day trading, we're using the time frame 1 hour and below. So everything below the 1 hour, let's say for the scalpers, like 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. For price action traders, is like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. It doesn't matter. Everything is supposed to be below the 1 hour. So that's the one thing. The second thing, in a day trading, in my opinion, and many other traders as well, you can't focus on more than 3 up to 5 markets. So 3 up to 5 markets on the watch list, it's absolutely top. Uh, what it's about the day trading. The day trading is like, you have to try to catch the intraday volatility. Yeah, that's day trading is about. But don't forget about the trend of the higher time frame. You know what I mean? It's very difficult. It's very difficult because many day traders, they approach the markets like they don't care about the higher time frame. They don't care because they thinking that okay, I'm going to the trade and there's gonna be like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and don't care that on the time frame it's downtrend or uptrend. So, but let me, yeah, I'm just find the chart and try to show you what I mean. There's a chart, there's a 1 hour chart, as you can see. There's a live chart of Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. As you can see on a 1 hour chart, you've got a clearly uptrend. Yeah, you got a low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. There's the uptrend. So on a 1 hour chart is an uptrend. But what's going on when you switch to the daily chart, for example? Yeah, the situation is totally different. It's totally different. So I hope you understand what I want to say. Even if you want to do a day trading, you can't forget about the higher time frame. You know what I mean? Your decision in the day trading has to be based on the higher time frame, even if you use the 1 hour and below. So let's go further, and we're talking about the day trading pros and cons. So let's start from the pros. If you are good in a day trading, it's pretty possible to make money on the most of the weeks. Yeah, most of the weeks your trading is supposed to be profitable. So there's definitely pros. And short market exposure, that's very important. That's very important, especially these days. So I hope you understand what does it mean, short market exposure. Basically, short market exposure is the shortest time as possible to be in a trade. So that's the very, very important thing, especially right now. And obviously, short market exposure, it's mean no overnight risk. So you don't keep it the trade over the night. So you start in the morning, you finish before the session is closed. Whatever you trade, if you're trading European session or American session as well. And the cons, yeah, that's the most, in my opinion, from my experience, it's the most stressful job in terms of the trading, from any kind of trading. The day trading is the definitely high level of stress, job, the highest level for me. So high business cost as well. And the high business cost, I mean the commission spreads, office rent, equipment. Maybe you don't know exactly what I mean. Talking about the equipment, it's mean for me the day job. The day trading. Sorry, the day trading is like you see the over there. There's a full-time job. You can't do it as a part-time. There's the full-time job. So if you want to work in the full-time job, you have to have a place where you can spend the hours, because the day trading, there's the hours. There's not like a minute, or it's not like an hour a day. It's the hours. You start in the morning, you finish late afternoon or evening time. So you have to have a space, and doesn't matter it's gonna be space in your home or there's gonna be space in a rented office or whatever you want to put your place. But the office and equipment I mean the workstation screens is many traders think, especially when they see the social media profiles, they think that all the big trades they going through the phone or tablets or laptops, sitting in front of the nice, I don't know, palm tree or on a beach or whatever. Yeah, it can be true, but if you want to day trading, it's not possible. You have to have a place where you can be, feel comfortable, and you have right equipment, so that's gonna be cost as well. You can't avoid it. The second thing what I want to talk about it's a swing trading. It's another way to approach to the market. It's a bit different from the day trading. We're using the time frame 1 hour and above. You can watch and you can follow many markets. That's no problem at all. And what it's about the swing trading? In the swing trading is just capture the one swing. We're not talking about that because many people just make a mistake and they thinking about the swing trading as a trend trading. So, but it's not the same. The swing trading is just about catch the one swing on a trend. So let me find a chart, maybe it's gonna be much easier to understand. Oh, let's say, okay, got it. There we go. As you can see, there's a 1 hour chart of German DAX, one of the most popular indices to trade. Let me change for 2 hours. It's gonna be much easier to see. And yeah, so swing trading, it's easy to set. You got the resistance over there, and let's say you got a swing from sorry, it's gonna be a swing from here. Let me make this chart bigger. No, come on. I don't know, there's gonna be clearly seen, but I'm try to make this bigger. Yeah, I'm not prepared so well. Let's go in live, so sorry for any. Okay, here we go. I think that's gonna be clear right now. So you got a high here, you've got a swing low, yeah, you've got a swing high over there. Swing high over there on this level, yeah, and this is pretty easy. You're going with the trend, so you're going short, but you have to put it, of course, the stop loss above the previous high. So we're going short. You can going short from the limits order or stops order, whatever, yeah. But what I'm talking about in the swing trading, it's like capture just one. Okay, this is just one swing. There's a gap. You see? So in the swing trading, is just the catch this one move from this point to this point, just one move. We're not, of course, you can try to, keep it this position. And but this the other topics, and I'm not gonna talk about it right now because it's gonna be, we don't have enough time. But that's about the swing trading. So as you can see from, for example, Thursday 20th of February, you can catch this, keep it this swing to Thursday February from, let's say, this 2 hours. So yeah, from the midnight till 4 o'clock afternoon. Yeah, so it's about the 16 hours, 60 hours trade. And that's what I mean about talking about the swing trading. So it's a different approach. You can spend the less time. Definitely, let's move this chart from away and go to the pros and cons. So as I said, if you are good in the swing trading, it's possible making money on most of the months, maybe weeks, but definitely months. And the second very important thing for me and for you guys, if you are the beginners, that's that you can use this as a part-time job. The swing trading, there is a method of trading, there is a way to approach the market when you can use this as a part-time job. Cons, you can see very clearly overnight risk, and when we talk in overnight risk, that's the really serious, especially in these days. You can probably remember, or it about it, like last week, open position on Monday on the oil crude. That was absolutely ridiculous, minus 31%, over the weekend. That's the absolutely, if you had the long position on the oil, doesn't matter if you had a stop or you hadn't stopped, that's it's blowing your account, and you can go to the negative area. You can get the negative balance in your broker. So definitely you have to be careful about the swing trading, because the overnight risk is very, very, very important. It's very dangerous. And overnight risk, it's related to relatively long market exposure. So long market exposure, it's very important in terms of the news, unexpected news, and news as normal economic calendar news. So we have to be careful and we have to be known about it a bit. So all right, then the last one what I want to say today is like position trading. Position trading, it's the name what I can say trend trading. That's the quite different approach to the market. Position trading, long-term trading, or trend trading, that's the same. That's the same. We're using for the position trading time frame 1 day and above. That's the main thing. Also, in the position trading, there's the ability to trade many markets. Many markets. So you can follow as much as you want. It doesn't matter. It depends on your time and your ability. So you can watch on the stock markets, hundreds of companies. And what it's about the position trading is riding trends, basically. Very simple, riding trends. So I think I don't have to show you what does it mean, the riding trends, but I'm just gonna do anyway. So when I talked about the swing trading before, there's a DAX 2 hours time frame charts, and that's the position. When you try to catch this trend is the most difficult job, to get in position and keep in this position, to catch this whole move, at least 60% of this move or 50% of this move, but to catch the trend, not just the swing, just catch the move, catch the trend. Let's move the way. And obviously, pros and cons position trading. First of all, low level of stress. That's it's really easy. It can be done in relatively small amount of time. I mean, you can spend on the position trading even less than an hour a day, as I said, and it's gonna be works. It's gonna be works, yeah. And you can do the other full-time job. That's it's not gonna affect your personal life. It's not gonna affect your other things. Not gonna affect your other things. So that's definitely pros. And then cons, as I mentioned before, there's a very long exposure on the market, so you're gonna be affected on an unexpected news, on an unexpected moves, all this stuff. So you have to calculate your stop loss accordingly, and low number of trades. Yeah, that's the definitely cons, because there's the trend markets doesn't happen very often. The trend markets, it's about 30% up to 40% of all time. And most of the time is the sideways, so that to find the trending markets and to get this trend and use this trend to make a money, it's very difficult because of this. So another cons, what I didn't write down here, but I want to talk about it. It's using the position trading because of the low number of trades, and it's you have to have a big account. I mean, you can't trade as a position trader or long-term trader with small account. That's definitely not gonna be work. So yeah, that's it for today. What I want to talk about it. If you got guys any questions, just write down or I'll try to explain if you want to any explanation. Yeah, I see the questions. What is the position trading? As I said before, John, the position trading is like long-term trading. So yeah, slippage was really high. Yeah, it was. Yeah, to choose the right broker, there's there's another topic. Maybe we're gonna cover on any other video, but yeah. Okay, no questions so far, so thank you guys and see you next time. Take care. Happy trading and safe trading.